Parkour.
Where you are, I will be. My
Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another video. Yeah boy! So it's a new day. It's a new morning. What was that guy trying to do? I don't understand. Wait, do I know this road? Well, I like this road. It's good. Right. It is good. It is not bad. There's no signals today, so I'm kind of happy, you know. What do I mean? Yo, he waved me back. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. See, that is the perks of having a motorcycle, you know. Instant friend request accepted. Yes! Today is a good day. I have a green signal. Let's go! Yo! The signal just turned green. Let's go! Let's go! No, today is a Monday and I don't like Mondays, but Mondays are pretty good, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. That's a red signal over there. So turn. Yes! Let's go! So I'm talking about. Let's go! Oh, this is red. F off. Okay, this guy's skipping a signal like a boss. Let's go. He's driving on the zebra crossing line. Really interesting. And now I have to find a petrol bunk. Otherwise, I'm done because I don't know. It's already in reserve. What was that? Bro, what is wrong with people? I just want to wave at riders, bro. Like, I get that tendency to wave at riders. I don't know why. I want to make friends, but I'm pretty sure they wave at me back. But like most of them do. But I don't know. What if they don't wave at me? That would be so embarrassing, right? Yes. So yeah. So you guys seem to let me switch off the bike so it doesn't drain my battery out. Yeah. So you guys have been liking my motovlog series, and that is why I'm making another one, and I'll be making more. So thanks for the love, everyone. And yeah, I love making these motovlogs too. It's fun. It's just good to ride around and talk to the camera and being an idiot. Whoa, that was a good turn. Let's go. Okay, let me get on to the flyover. I'll do a highway run video. So yeah, I'll do a separate video on this highway run, so you guys can watch that. It is just going to be a raw video. I'm not going to speak anything. Just enjoy the highway run that I do. And there's nothing much in that. So I'll see you guys after the highway run. And yeah, I've done a bit of update on my motovlogging setup. That is, I stuck a, I don't know if you guys can see this, I stuck a velcro on my helmet and on the GoPro adapter. So just I can use the velcro to stick it into my helmet, stick it onto my helmet. That is good. Before I used to keep it here on this mount and put a rubber band. That looked ugly. But yeah, now it's like, it's perfect. It's like sleek looking. Nice. What is that bike? Wait, what is that bike? Oh, this is what was the name for this?
The fuck?
I forgot the name of that bike. Something starting with H. So you guys know the drill. Subscribe, like the video, share the video. I know you are not subscribed to my channel right now. Subscribe. Do it. You can do it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.